Mmm. 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 Oh. Oh. Mmm. Nope. Immediately no. Immediately no. Hey. I'm back again. Listen, today I'm gonna try Crumbl cookies for the first time. Not gonna lie, I have been wanting to try this place for a really long time. But whenever it started trending, I think I was living in South Africa. Yeah, I think it's been that long. I was literally living in South Africa when it started trending, so I never got to try it, and I kept seeing it because y'all know I love cookies. I love a good sweet, I love a good everything. But I just haven't tried it, man. And then when I did come back, I don't know. Anyways, moral of the story, I haven't tried these cookies. This is what it looks like. Not gonna lie, I already ate one of them, but I ate it on TikTok, so you can't be mad at me. If you want to see it, go follow whatever my TikTok is. I actually was only gonna take a bite of it, but I ended up eating majority of the cookie, and not gonna lie, I feel kind of nauseous right now. I didn't think that was the best idea for me to do if I'm going to be inhaling 6 cookies next. But you know what? We're just gonna run with it. We're just gonna hope for the best. Oh, let me open this cookie box. So I got 6 cookies to try. Apparently they change their cookie flavor every single week, which I didn't know that. It's low-key kind of dangerous. It's cool but dangerous at the same time because that's a lot. Oh my god. Oh my god. That looked good. That looked good. I need to look up what these flavors are actually. One of them was a mystery flavor. I've got a peanut butter cookie. I've got a pink sprinkle. This was a mystery cookie. Apparently it's blue raspberry with ice with 2 E's. I don't know what that is. This is, don't know what that is actually. This is a lemon cookie. That is a caramel cookie. Let me look up what this is, actually. It looks like a hot cocoa. It's giving hot cocoa vibes, you know what I mean? French silk pie, whatever that is. I think that the first one I'm gonna try is this peanut butter one, because it's the only one without icing, and icing ones are making me nervous. And I do really like peanut butter cookies, so I don't know if anyone else does this, but whenever I have to eat a cookie, I like to break it down the middle and then just, damn. Do y'all see those crumbs fall? I like to break it down the middle and I just like to go full force right in the center. Yep, I'm gonna have to clean my car after this, for sure. Something that I'm noticing about Crumbl cookies, after I ate that chocolate chip one, is they are very, very like, you know what I'm saying? They're like very, very doughy. Which is good if you like doughy cookies, but if you're more of a crispy cookie girl, I actually don't know if anyone is a crispy cookie girl. These are good. This peanut butter one, it's a little bit too sweet. Not enough peanut buttery for my liking. It tastes more like, it tastes like peanut butter sugar. It tastes like watered down peanut butter. I feel like I'm not getting the full peanut butter flavor. You know what I mean? I feel like I wanted it to really hit more, but instead it's kind of just like a sugar cookie with a hint of some peanut butter powder, you know? I feel like maybe if they had like a peanut butter drizzle on top or something, that would have been nice. That could have made that real nice. You know what's kind of funny about me sitting here right now eating like these gazillion cookies in my car? I literally just finished a meeting with a modeling agency because I'm trying to get one in LA, just because I haven't lived here, so I don't have one in LA, so I've been going to meetings all week. But I just think it's funny that I just had a modeling agency meeting and now I'm sitting here eating 7 cookies in the car. Like a true model, you know what I mean? I don't know how I feel about that. Oh, it looks good though, doesn't it? It looks nice on the camera. It looks like a French silk pie. I'm gonna break it over the box like a smart person would so it doesn't go everywhere again. And I'm gonna bite it right where the whipped cream is so we can get every flavor all at once. The nausea's hitting. Not gonna lie, the nausea's hitting, but we're just gonna power through, bubs, because we gotta get these cookies. I'm not gonna like this one. I'm not. That tastes like straight up sugar heart attack, not gonna lie. I can't do that. I can't do that one at all. Not at all. Alright. It's really, really chocolatey. I don't know what this accent is. It's really, really chocolatey, and it's really, really dense, and it's really, really sweet, and the whipped cream is whipping, and the chocolate flakes are flaking, and there's just a lot going on, and it's making me want to gag right now. That's a bit too much. That's a bit too much for me. I already know this one right here. This is gonna be a bit too much as well. I already know that just by looking at it. I feel like I was trying to do a British accent, but it's definitely giving Borat. This was the mystery flavor. It's blue raspberry with ice. I don't know what that is. Oh, I can't. This one's gonna make me gag, I already know. I don't eat candy like that. It literally tastes like, freaking gummy straw. Do you know what I'm talking about? Like something blue raspberry. I really don't even want to bite this one if I'm being honest. I can't even rip into it. How do you... You're trying to play me. I'll bite the bigger piece just for dramatic effect since this is... This one's gonna make me nauseous. Nope. Immediately no. Immediately no. Ah! Tastes like a freaking Airhead, or tastes. If you like gummy candy or anything, I can't. Ah! Ah! Oh, I'm having heart palpitations right now. Hold on, I can't do it. Ugh, it's like giving me the chills. I can't. I'm literally gonna have a sugar heart attack after this. If you like gummy candies, sweets, that's the cookie for you. It's not for me. I'm more of a traditional chocolate chip kind of gal. Do you know what I mean? Not that right there. Not that one. Okay. Definitely not this one either. This is a pink icing. I feel sick. I feel so sick. I'm regretting all my decisions. All of them. Why are these cold? Mmm. You know what this tastes like? You know those like cheap cookies you can get from Walmart or any grocery store with the frosting on them? Like you get like a pack of 5. I'm gonna pack of 12 for like $5. And they're like sugar cookies and they just got that frosting on them. This tastes like an enhanced, luxurious version of that. It also tastes like some sugar cookies you would make for Santa Claus on Christmas evening, except you'd frost them yourself and you leave some milk out for the Clauses, you know? This actually isn't the worst one. The worst one is that blue one. I really am not gonna lie, I'm not sold on this Crumbl cookie so far. It's not really doing it for me. I am going to have a brief intermission. I'm gonna sit here, cause I'm not gonna lie, it's taking me out. Not gonna lie. It's quite making me, like, give me a second, cause it's a lot right now. I just need an intermission. We're back. We're back, guys. We're back. Back again, back again, back again. These cars keep driving past me. I'm literally parked in like random neighborhood in middle of LA. I was trying to wait until I got home, but I realized I like the cookie to be warm and I want to eat. Oh my god, on this car. You know what I'm trying to say right now? I like the cookies warm, but they're not even warm, they're cold. They're chilled. Alright, this is a lemon one. I'm excited about this one because I love everything lemon. Normally lemon has my heart, my soul, my spirit, my mind. This is very, very large. So don't know if that's gonna happen today. Don't know if it's gonna win my love today, but we've got to give it a go because that's why we're here. Oh, it smells amazing. It smells like lemon. Oh. I think that's cream cheese frosting. Tastes like lemon cream cheese. Are all these cream cheese frostings? There's no way I'm trying that blue one again, but I'll try this pink one. No. I think this is this one, no, this one they might be onto something. Oh, I feel so nauseous right now. I cannot do this. Listen, guys, I love food. I'll try pretty much anything. I'll literally eat anything. But I can't eat it in large amounts. Here's the deal. If I could be a full-on mukbanger, I would. But the way my digestive tract is set up, the way my nausea is set up, the way my body is built, I can only eat so much of things like this before I start gagging. I'm definitely almost there. This is a good thing I only have one cookie left. But I just want to let you guys know, the way my digestive tract is set up is the only thing stopping me from being a full-on mukbanger. I could be one, but it's going to be a lot of veggies, a lot of seafood, a lot of stuff that you guys don't want to see me eat, you know what I mean? I will occasionally. Alright, I'm done ranting because this is irrelevant. I'm going to take another bite of this, though. I'm just going to sacrifice myself. Spicy. Alright, so far, these are my ratings. The chocolate chip one, that's coming in number 1. The peanut butter, that's number 2. The lemon one is number 3. The pink one is number 4. Brown one with the frosting and stuff, that's number 5. And this blue raspberry is number 6. And I have one more left to try. It's a caramel cookie. These cookies are just scary, man. They're just so scary. They just got so much going on. It's like, sometimes, you know, less is more. Do you know what I mean? Sometimes less is more. I'm gonna have to go wash my car. Oh. Oh, hold up now. We might be onto something with this one. This caramel cookie just changed the game. It's more subtle, not as strong, not as aggressive as other cookies. You know what it kind of tastes like? It tastes like a snickerdoodle cookie. I feel like my heart's literally like... It tastes like a snickerdoodle cookie, but without the cinnamon sugar. Instead of cinnamon sugar, they put the caramel drizzle on top. That's kind of nice. That's kind of nice, not gonna lie. I'm really thinking about it. I'm thinking about if I should take another watch, you know what I mean, bros? I think I'm gonna stop right there. I literally took... I cannot... Sorry, but I'll never be able to get over the way that blue raspberry one tastes. I really did. I really tried. I really thought about it, but I just... Oh, bruh. Just can't. You know, sometimes you just gotta see it through. Sometimes, you know, you just be in too deep. Like, you got them, but sometimes you just can't see it through, you know. Majority of the time you can see it through, but then sometimes you hit those walls where it's just like, this is gonna have to be an L. That blue raspberry one's gonna be an L. I don't think anything I just said made sense. You know what, though? Crumbl cookies, I'm not gonna lie, there's a 100% chance I'll never come back here again in my life. Actually, you know what? They do switch the flavors out weekly, so that was a complete lie. I'm definitely gonna come back next time I see a flavor that looks good. But I can't do these flavors with all the icing on them. You have to have a really extreme sweet tooth to eat those. And my sweet tooth, it used to be bad. Oh, I'm just getting cookie crumbs. My sweet tooth used to be bad, but I don't know what happened. I don't know if it's because I work out a lot now, or if it's because I just eat healthier. I just eat a lot of veggies, and I just can't do it. My sweet tooth don't hit. I would recommend Crumbl, what's this shit called? Crumbl cookies if you have a really bad sweet tooth. If you like stuff that like, it's like a shock of sugar, then I would recommend Crumbl cookie. But if you don't like sweets, this is not the place for you at all. Literally at all. 100% go somewhere else. Unless you want the chocolate chip cookie. Chocolate chip cookie, pretty good. Alright guys, you know what? Today's been a good day. I had cookies, I had some agency meetings, I'm making a vlog, we're back on the YouTube channel, do you know what I'm saying? I was actually gonna say that I'm gonna be staying in California for a little bit. Well, okay, I say that now, but y'all know I can't sit still for too long. My plan is to like stay in California and exist out here for a little bit, and then maybe whenever I get tired, go back to some random country. But right now, LA's where I'm at, baby. You know, maybe one day I'll book a one-way flight, see where I end up. You never know what's gonna happen. Anyways, this was a great cookie Crumbl taste test on the Crumbl cookies. I will be returning another day to eat some more cookies when I get bored again and I've got nothing else to do. And like, comment, subscribe, like this video if you want to see me go try Crumbl cookies again when we've got them again for another week. Do you know what I mean? Maybe I will, maybe I won't. Guess we'll never know until you like the video and subscribe to my channel. Alright guys, good peace and blessings. See you on the other side, you know what I mean? Oh, that was so cringe. Sorry, it's this sugar. Whenever I eat sugar I start acting like I can't see. You like the pink one the best?
Well, I just eat sugar.
Did you try this one? Hey, lemon?
I like lemon.
It gets better. It gets better.
It's like a lemon rain.
How's that one taste?
That one's actually really good.
Isn't it? The caramel one is fire.
Is this on?
Yeah, it is on. It's recording.
I'm not fried.